Hello everyone, it's Kate, the face behind Kate Inspired. I'm sure the content so far has been inspiring you on all social media platforms. I want to believe this content has been inspiring you on to do better for yourself, especially when it comes to the place of purpose and to the place of finance. It's nice getting a couple of reviews from some of us telling me that this content has made you much more determined than ever before to pursue your goals, to become financially free, and also make sure you are fulfilled in terms of purpose. That's so interesting to know. So I want to use this medium to let you guys know that I will be back more than ever before on the screen. You will see my face more often than before, and that will be happening more on the YouTube channel. The link to the YouTube channel will be on the description below. Just click on it, make sure you are subscribed, because I'll be dropping some content that will make you even much more inspired to fulfill purpose and become financially free. There are already videos there. If you have not watched them, do well to watch them, do well to like them, do well to share them with family and friends, and above all, make sure they also subscribe. As you subscribe to the channel, let's build the community, let's get ourselves inspired, let's go all the way to fulfill purpose and make sure we become financially free. Remember, if the nation is counting on you, you can't afford to fail them. In the financial space, remain strong, remain sharp, remain good. Till I come your way again, I remain Kate. Bye.